Welcome back to the Loner Ranger Radio Show. My name is Bruce Woodburn. I am the Loner Ranger. This is a show where we talk about how to save you money when it comes to your real estate transaction. You know, so many people out there are paying too high of interest rates. They should be refinancing. They've missed out on the lowest possible interest rates, but it's still a good time. It's not over yet. It's just getting a little bit higher. So if you have any questions, you want to refinance, you want to talk to me about buying a home, I'm committed to helping you purchase a home. Here's one of my commitments that I'm doing right now. I'm really excited about this. This is Buck Your Landlord, new home by New Year's. Okay, so you want a new home by New Year's? I can help you get into a new home by New Year's. All right, we're the end of November. I still have time. I'll connect you with a real estate agent. I'll make sure that we get you into a home by New Year's. But let's get the process started right now. It's Sunday. It's a good time to go to my website at webringyouhome.com, do the application. There's only two reasons people don't buy a home. They're scared, or they don't think they'll qualify. But nobody goes, you know what? I really like renting. I really love making my landlord rich. I think that it's important that I contribute to my landlord's retirement. Nobody does that. Nobody feels better about renting than they do about buying. Let me help you change that cycle. It's a new year. You can do it now. You've been putting it off for too long. You've got adult children and grandchildren that have been putting it off. Help them out. If you do anything, help them out now. This is the time to do it. Housing is going to get outrageous, and rents are going up faster than the prices of homes. Call me at 407-706-3313 or visit my website at webringyouhome.com. I promised you I'd talk about why interest rates are going up right now. There's a couple of reasons. Our wonderful government has just absolutely screwed the pooch, and we are going to see some hyperinflation. Now, listen, I don't care if you like the president that's in there now or you like the one that was in there before. It was inevitable that we were going to have inflation. But to the extent that we're having it right now with the fuel prices and everything is not called for. And now he's talking about tapping into our emergency reserves, and it's going to lower your gas by, 10 cents, maybe up to 18 cents. It's not going to make a difference. They shut down the pipeline before we have cars and equipment ready for batteries. It just doesn't make any sense to do that. Gradually go into that, Joe. Gradually work your way into it, and we'll be okay. We're all going to have battery cars probably one day in the future, whether I like it or not. I like the sound of my engines, believe me, but it probably will happen at some point. So that's what's causing rates to go up. Also, the Fed has honored its threat on tapering, meaning that they're not buying mortgage-backed securities. You have to realize, folks, that interest rates would have never been as low as they are if it wasn't for the federal government buying mortgage-backed securities. That's why interest rates are down. It's not because it's just the economy. It's because the Fed has been buying mortgage-backed securities. So they've been threatening to taper down, and they've tapered from like $10 billion a month down to now they're at 4, and now they're cutting back from even 4 billion. So it's not enough to sustain it to keep the rates down. Now you got the Federal Reserve. Powell has said, trust me, the first of the year rates are going up. They're going up. They're going to start raising the Fed rate. I believe that's probably going to happen. When, I don't know. But what happens is interest rates don't wait for the Fed to click the button and raise rates and then mortgage rates go up. As soon as they say they're going to do it, they already start going up. That's what happens. That's how the market works. So if you're expecting interest rates to stay low, then I think you're going to be disappointed. If you expect that houses are going to pull back in price, you're going to be disappointed. You can't build a house right now for as cheap as you could a year ago. Stay tuned to more of the Loner Ranger Radio Show. I'll give you the facts. Good news, bad news, or indifferent news. You're going to get the facts right here. You can count on me for the real information. 407-706-3313 or webringyouhome.com. We'll be right back.